pleasure of introducing SafetySpect, a platform solution for sanitation inspection and disinfection. SafetySpect has developed an advanced optical sensing solution to break through current practices in sanitization assessment. Please welcome Kenneth, Barton, CEO of SafetySpect.
Yes, I was muted. Hello, and thank you for your interest in SafetySpect. Here you see our contamination, sanitization, inspection, and disinfection device, CSID+, our flagship system, the world's only optical system to detect and disinfect contamination in seconds. CSID+ identifies biological residues, including respiratory droplets, invisible to the human eye, and disables viruses and other pathogens with ultraviolet light. How clean is clean? While the food and healthcare industries have always recognized the need for sanitization, the COVID pandemic has raised sanitation awareness in customers beyond these industries. It's become part of our culture. Many industries see the need to promote their cleanliness through certification labels, as you see here. There is a demand for real-time, quantitative, verifiable inspection certification. SafetySpect Certified Clean addresses this unmet need. The SafetySpect system detects, disinfects, and documents by video recording the process, and AI machine learning algorithms prioritize risk, telling you where to scan depending on how much time you have available. An example would be a layover of an airplane. The system validates this entire process. We have exclusive licenses to USDA and U.S. Army patents. This technology grew out of a 14-year collaboration between the USDA and the U.S. Army research laboratories to inspect kitchen facilities to safeguard our soldiers from contamination threats, especially during deployments. The USDA selected SafetySpect to solve some key problems required to commercialize the technology through a formal cooperative research and development agreement, a CRADA, with USDA ARS. This also gives us access to the USDA's multi-million-dollar laboratories and top scientists. The suite of CSI technologies will first be sold to food processing and serving facilities. We are working directly with the U.S. Army initial co-inventors and expect to sell throughout the Department of Defense. Our second major market is medical and healthcare facilities, where the contamination control is also important because of the vulnerable populations. As you can see, the target markets in each segment are very large, and we have significant value to our clients, which is why early adopters like the USDA, Simplet, the U.S. Army, United Airlines, Edgewood Healthcare are buying or leasing our devices for paid pilot studies. The most common methods of cleaning currently used are visual inspections and swab tests. Visual inspections are fast but don't catch invisible contamination. Swab tests are random and must be read by an analyzer. We will enter the marketplace as a complementary solution to existing approaches. CSID Plus can quickly detect and document contamination and immediately disinfect anything missed by cleaners. Our core team is poised to take the company to the next level. The members have long working relationships and exceptional domain knowledge. They include world-class scientists, engineers, business professionals, and collaborators. Team members have a history of raising over $15 billion for projects. They have been successful in getting FDA approval for medical devices and have experience in both acquisitions and IPOs. Here are our 5-year sales and income projections. Some key things to be aware of here are that our early sales are heavily weighted on DoD sales, since that is who drove the initial development of the product. As we move into year 3 and 4, the food and healthcare markets will quickly move past the DoD sales. This year so far, we have $2 million in income and expect $112 million by year 5. SafetySpect is currently raising $5 million in a convertible debt round, carrying 6% interest at a 20% discount to the next round, with a $20 million pre-money valuation ceiling. To date, we've raised $7.4 million in grants, indirect federal funding, and direct investments. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in the breakout room.